So the battery of your AirTag is quite low, and obviously you want to replace the battery because you can't charge this thing yet. You need to place a battery in it. But how to change that? So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. So this is Find My. Basically, it shows you all the devices that are connected to your iCloud, and that way, if you have Find My turned on, you can find your devices from here. And one of those things is the AirTag. Actually, I've made a video describing how to find your AirTag, so check that out. This video though is about how to replace this battery, and without making this video way too long, I know a lot of people make a tutorial on how to do things and they make it very long, and I'm not sure why they do that, but this video will show you exactly how to do so. So first things first, you grab your AirTag and you need to have this lithium battery on you. I have this Varta thing. It tends to be a good brand and they last forever. So go and purchase this one. I believe it cost me around $5, and you have 2 of those, so that way you'll have battery for the next 2 years or so. Grab your AirTag, turn this thing to the left, and that way you have access to the battery that's already inside this AirTag, and that comes right out of the package. So when I bought this AirTag, it came with this battery. So Apple ships it with this Panasonic battery, as you see here. So go ahead and remove that, and it's basically very easy. I know for sure that you will be able to do so. So once you took your battery out of the package, go ahead and place it right in there. The brand should shows up, and just close it afterwards, and you'll hear this sound. That means that the AirTag is now connected. So as you see here, it doesn't show that the battery is quite low. That means that your battery can now last for the next, I don't know, 2 years or so. I bought this AirTags like 1.5 years ago, and it served me very well. I haven't replaced the battery ever since. So yeah, the battery takes a very long time before it becomes very low, because honestly, this AirTag doesn't require much effort to keep going. That's the reason why it doesn't consume a lot of battery, and that's basically it. So it's a very easy step, it's a very easy process. Just go ahead and change your battery like I've showed you. If you have any questions about this video, leave them in the comment section below. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, it helps me a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.